Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making an Eid special mutton korma. The ingredients you will need is 1 kg of mutton, 1 medium onion, 1 pack of Shan Korma masala, 1.5 cups of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We're going to start off by adding half a cup of oil and our 1 onion to medium heat. We're going to cook the onion until it's brown. Once the onion is brown, we're going to remove it on a paper towel. Now in the same oil, we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. Now we're going to add the meat. Mix everything well, and we're going to allow this to cook until the meat changes its color. Once you see that the meat has changed its color, we're going to add Shan masala. After mixing in everything well, we're going to add 1 cup of water and cover with the lid to let cook until the water dries. As you can see, the water has almost dried up. We're going to now add the yogurt. I'm going to whisk my yogurt together to have it nice and smooth, and then we're going to add it into our meat mixture little by little. Make sure to mix right after you add the yogurt to prevent any lumps. After combining in all of the yogurt, we're going to allow the korma to cook for 5 more minutes. While the korma is cooking, I'm going to get the onions that we fried earlier and just crumble them a little bit with my fingers. Now we're going to add the onions to the korma. After mixing in the onions, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and allow everything to cook together. This will ensure that we have the onion flavor in the korma. Finally, we're going to garnish the korma with almonds, green chili, and ginger. Mix everything well and your korma is ready to serve. This korma recipe is very easy and simple to make. I'm sure you guys will love it. Make sure to make this recipe on Eid and let me know how it was in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers for supporting my channel. Please do share my recipe with your friends and family, and as always, I'll see you in my next video.